e.l.f. makeup removing pen. I'm going to show you why this is so amazing.
You can't worry about what other people think. I mean, have you met other people?
So I know you saw that. I had a chunk of mascara that got under my eye. And anytime you make a mistake in your makeup, right? Like eyeliner, whatever. So there is right there, the mascara. You know, it's going to be like, oh, I try to rub it off. It wouldn't come off. This pen here, you can see how many times I've used it. It looks filthy dirty, but look, it's really not. But I could just go right on top and then wipe it away. Look at that. It cleans up so many mistakes. It's almost like a fine point pen that has just a pinch of oil and a felt tip, and it will take away any mistake that you make in your makeup. So this is kind of a must-have. Okay, well that e.l.f. pen was amazing, but they don't make it anymore, right? But this Tresluce, line it up, seems to be like the same thing, right? You can see I've never used it, and I made a mistake right here. When I got some mascara on the bottom here, so I want to see, is it the same thing or not? Wow, look at that. It did the same exact thing. And there's the mascara that got on the bottom there. It removed my makeup a little bit. Yes, of course, it will do that. Same thing. So after you use it, just wipe it off on your hand or somewhere so you get that makeup off of there. And then now you can touch up and make it look brand new. So love it, love it. Tresluce, line it up. It's called an edge corrector. Tresluce Beauty.